garbage. What are you doing? You're in my washing machine. Silly boy.
This is Milo. He also goes by Mr. Meow Meow, Kitty, or just Guy. He chills. Oh, big bro! What got you scared? Little. Anyway, say hi.
I can't even believe my eyes. I can't even believe my eyes. He doesn't want you, bitch. He doesn't want you. Completely uninterested. He doesn't want you. Not wanted. No means no. Can you drop it?
Ay nasıl çıktı oraya? Nasıl yiyecek şimdi? Tüh.
Hadi in. Hadi. Oha.
Allah seni ne yaptın?
Du kleine Schlampe. Guck mal, wer da ist.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me. I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal.
I'm a kitty, never really busy. I love catnip, but it makes me frisky. You know my mood is always tricky, but I'm silly. Yeah, I'm a kitty. Wow.
My God, you ain't got no job. You live on my couch, you don't even pay rent.
Kelly! Say what? Just say what? Hey! Kelly! Kelly, come here.
Larry, how are you responding to the fame? How are you responding to the fame? Do you like being famous? Do you like being famous, Larry?
Hey, mommy.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, my mommy. Hey, mama.
你别笑。要做一个专业的演员吗？
That's a cute new hoodie you got. It's very cute. You gonna put the hood on?